I'm currently a senior teaching associate in biological sciences, and I teach across a range of different subjects on the biology, zoology degree programmes. I try to just get across my enthusiasm for the subject when I try to inspire students, and that might be, I don't know, pointing out areas where biology is really interesting that they may not have thought about before. So our degree is quite broad, so we get a lot of students who are really just interested in the animals and, you know, thinking on that side of things and want to be your typical wildlife kind of documentary maker, whereas they haven't actually thought about how interesting plants can be. So I tend to try to highlight that from especially from a food security perspective. So pointing out to the students that taking interest in plant biology or molecular biology can enable you to do really great things in research later on. Our reliance on plants is, you know, absolutely integral to our species survival. My best general kind of moment is when you're with a student who's perhaps struggling with a concept or a topic, and you spend some time and maybe you talk it through in a different way or using an analogy that they're more familiar with, and you see that light bulb moment. It sounds really cliche, but when you see a student finally get something and they feel so much more confident about what they're doing, they then feel ready to take on the rest of the subjects. And I've seen this with students where sometimes they can come into doing genetics or molecular biology and just think that they cannot do it. And they, you know, I'm rubbish at this, this is not what I'm good at. And a bit of time and a bit of work later on, they actually find that that could be one of their favourite subjects.